Okay, let's say we're asked to simplify this expression. Now, what I do is I work the top and then I work the bottom and then do any combinations that I need. So remember the please excuse my dear Aunt Sally, which is the order, which says do parentheses first. Well, the -6 is in parentheses, but there's nothing to do with it. -2 is in parentheses, nothing to do with it. 4 and 2, nothing that can be done. All right. Next, it says exponents. I don't see any numbers waving in the air like they just don't care, right? There are no exponents here. Multiplication and division. I do see a lot of multiplication. So -6 times -2 would be a +12. That minus sign right there. +4 times +2 would be a +8. And then remember, I'm just still working the top only. And then 12 minus 8 would be 4. Now I'm going to look at the bottom. So the bottom says parentheses first. And I see a lot of, so brackets are the same as parentheses. Always work the most inside, right? So I'm not doing anything with that 2. I'm not doing anything with that 6. But I am going to do 2 minus 8, which would be a -6. And then I close my parentheses or brackets. Next thing I would do what's inside these brackets. So I would take 6 divided by -6, which would be a -1. And then finally, just carry that 4 with me. 2 times -1 would be -2. And then 4 over -2 would go -2 times, because -2 times -2 would give me a +4.